Hi Amigas, this is your Amiga Gladys, and today is a brand new day and I decided to go out and I will be exploring today the beautiful Margaret Island. So stay with me guys. And before going to the Margaret Park, introduction pa lang ni guys, look at that park. Nindot na kaayo. Parks are everywhere here, kada nice street. Stukan kaayong parks. And resibo sa ta guys. So I've noticed guys, look at that pink socks and that Crocs. I noticed that Europeans or Hungarians are really into neutral colors. They're wearing black, gray colors. So I decided to give them some colors. So I wear pink socks and Crocs. And I noticed then when they meet me, they would laugh. So at least I feel so wonderful because I give joy to somebody. Maybe on their minds, wow, this girl can pull it off. Char, laban lang guys. And look at that sunshine. I could relate it guys that once the sun shines brightly here, i-chase gid na mo gawas gina ang mga Europeans para magbulad. Kay nindot kaayo when that sun shines brightly at you and the weather is cold and it touches your skin, murag bellow. And guys, this is the Danube River. So historically, before this city become one, divided daw ni siya into two cities, the Buda and the Pest, and it is divided by this Danube River. So when it has united into one beautiful city, it has now become the Budapest. And look at that boat. Night cruise there guys for tourists and even for locals. So while cruising using the boat, we could see the beautiful Margaret Island. The Margaret Island guys, that's the park across aning a river. So that's the Margaret Island, the Margaret Park. Nindot kaayo. And the Danube River. So if you are cruising, nindot daw guys if it is nighttime because of the beautiful lights. In fact, Budapest is the top 3 most beautiful city in the world during nighttime, along with Prague and Paris. And resibo na sad guys, dapat na ay ako ang naong inyong amiga samaw kayo amiga, pero wala ko na sakit kay samaw lang siya because of the brightness, but it's very gentle and it's very wonderful na mo touch yung skin. So para maka-adto to sa Margaret Island, we should walk across this bridge. So lakaw ta ani nga bridge para ma-adto to sa other side. Nindot kayong Danube River, it's so calming and it's so peaceful and daghan kayo mag-jog. So basig soon, usan ako sa mga nag-jogging ani char, fitness goals lang ang peg. Nindot kayo ang Margaret Island guys, the Margaret Park. It's springtime pa gani. How much more if it is during winter season or fall. And we are on the other side, we are at the Margaret Park. And look at those trees. Upaw pa lang guys because it is springtime. Nindot kayo lakawan guys, daghag food stalls. And again, if you want to bike around or use scooter around, there are lots of bikes, scooters, or those murag tricycle for rental. Yeah. But I choose to do walking. And look at those daffodils. Dahan kayo color. The dark yellow, purple, white, the orange. Look at that, guys. Wala pa na sila gyud mo full bloom. But coming season daw, guys, grabe doon na siya nindot. Wala kayo makitang yuta. And resibo na sad. And guys, naay kahoy nga dili upaw. So, pa-picture na sad ta with a beautiful tree, with the beautiful socks, and the Crocs. Pink lang ang malakas. Guys, so nagkape mi ana guys, naglingkod, and yaw-yaw na sa ninyo hang amiga. Oh, yaw-yaw pa day. There guys, natural ang blush on because of the cold weather. Mamanhid ug mamuwa na inyo hang aping, no need to put blush on. Natural siya. Look at that yellow flower, very beautiful background to get a picture. It is really a very big park, good for children. They can run around, bike around, walk around. They can play safely. And after a lot of walking, after the refreshing sceneries, perte nindota nangapi sa mi guys. And as usual, you will be seeing lots of kalapate and lots of pet dogs. Bike sila guys. Look at those colors. And now adahan kayo bata, naglingkod-lingkod lang mi sa park guys. And look, ganun kayo siya sumuduol sa pet dog. And I've learned guys, like me being an introvert, or I am not really the type of person who initiates conversation, I've learned that having a pet dog can be a good conversation starter, because I've noticed na if you have a pet dog, many would be reaching out to you because they would love to see your pet. They will ask questions. So mao din na guys ang mga fur mommies, no? And of course, flexing my pink socks and my Crocs. Oh. They're really comfortable. So, paulit namin guys. Hi baby. And look at those flowers. Beautiful. And the Danube. Ito, sayawan na ito. Masaya sa akin.
Tigon isa po. Parang ako na.
Ha?
Parang ako saya sa mga.
Pinakwentuan. Nunong. Naabot. Nunong. Naanda.